Welcome Dr. Shetty to Editor Speak. What does law expect of a surgeon when there is an equipment failure during an intervention?
See, end result of treatment is unpredictable. More than that, when there are medical equipment, there are bound to be equipment failure despite the best of precautions. At such times, the law expects the surgeon to inform the patient or the relatives of the same and try to handle it to the best of his abilities.
So don't you think by keeping transparency and accepting a mistake can go against the doctor in the court of law?
Courts understand the unpredictability of the end result of treatment. Courts understand the unpredictability of the medical equipment involved. Any attempt of hiding a mishap is looked at adversely by the courts. Court draws adverse inference against a doctor when he tries to hide a mishap. In a recent judgment from the State Consumer Commission, a patient of kidney stones was admitted in the hospital. A percutaneous nephrolithotomy was performed, PCNL. During the intervention, the guide wire broke off. It got lodged in the kidney. The patient was discharged after a week. The patient's pain persisted. The patient went to another hospital. Repeat investigation revealed a foreign body in the right kidney. Intervention was performed. The foreign body was removed. The patient filed a case of negligence against the urologist. The urologist in defense stated that the guide wire was biocompatible and it wouldn't have harmed the patients. The urologist further stated that he had informed of the same orally to the patient. The court rejected this defense outright. The court stated that the fact that the guide wire was lodged in the kidney was not mentioned in the medical records nor in the discharge summary. Furthermore, the court observed that there was no attempt made at correcting the mishap nor an attempt made or a remedy suggested to the patient. The court, for this reason, held the urologist negligent.
Sir, what would you advise doctors if such a mishap occurs?
To err is human, to accept is superhuman. In medicine, mishaps do occur. When a mishap occurs, try to handle it to the best of your ability. Inform the patient or the relative of the same. Try to correct the mishap or to suggest a remedy for the same. And remember to document all of this above in the medical records. Any attempt at hiding a mishap is looked at adversely by the courts. Courts appreciate a doctor who is very transparent when a mishap occurs.
Sir, if a mishap occurs, hope our doctors follow your advice and do not panic. Thank you.